live. Good day, everyone, and I welcome you to today's live stream. There's a saying among tax practitioners. They always say compliance is cheap. Compliance is cheap. In other words, if you are always complying with the law in the payment of your taxes, is the cheapest thing you can ever have. Good day once more, and I welcome you to today's live stream. I remain yours sincerely, J. Tai Okupola. Today, I want us to talk on easy tax compliance to save you money. Just before we launch into it, I'd like to know where you are watching me from. From where are you watching? And I'd like to know the nature of your business. And I want you to do me a favor. Share this video. I want you to like it, and I'm expecting your questions so that we can all exchange knowledge together. Once more, you are welcome, and today's topic is easy tax compliance to save money. It can save you money, it can save your business money. Shall we go? As a small business owner in Nigeria, navigating the intricate, the difficult landscape of tax obligations can be tough. However, understanding and meeting these obligations are crucial for the success and legality of your enterprise. To help you go through this terrain, here are some essential tips to ensure compliance and smooth operation of your business. Number one is register with the appropriate tax authorities. This first step for any business owner is to register with the relevant tax authorities. In Nigeria, this usually means registering with the Federal Inland Revenue Service for company income tax and other relevant taxes, such as VAT, capital gains, even stamp duty and withholding taxes. Another form of authority that you need to register with is State Internal Revenue Service. State Internal Revenue Service. This is for personal income taxes. Ensure you obtain the necessary tax identification number and payer ID of your state and comply with all registration requirements. Number two is keep meticulous records. Good record keeping is fundamental to fulfilling your tax obligations accurately. Maintain organized records of all financial transactions, including sales, expenses, salaries, and others. Utilize accounting software or hire professional accountants to ensure accuracy and compliance with the laws. Number three, I hope I'm on number three. Yes, number three. Understand your tax obligations. Understand your tax obligations. You need to familiarize yourself with the various taxes applicable to your business in Nigeria. As such taxes, among others, include value-added tax, company income tax, personal income tax, withholding tax. You must understand the rates, the deadlines, and filing requirements for each tax to avoid penalties and fines. And number 4 is file your taxes on time. File your taxes on time. Timely tax filing is important to avoid penalties and interest charges. Be aware of the deadlines for filing different taxes, including monthly and annual returns. Ensure you set reminders and allocate sufficient time to prepare and submit your tax returns accurately and promptly. Number 5, seek professional advice when needed. Let me tell you, tax laws and regulations in Nigeria can be complex and subject to frequent changes. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice from tax consultants and accountants to ensure compliance with tax laws and regulations. And this will help you to optimize your tax planning strategies. You need to invest in expert guidance because it can save you time, money, and potential legal issues in the long run. And number 5, you need to keep abreast of regulatory changes. You need to keep abreast of regulatory changes. Stay updated on changes in tax laws, regulations, and policies that may affect your business operations. Follow updates from tax authorities, attend tax seminars or workshops, and engage with professional tax associations to stay informed and adapt your tax compliance practices accordingly. Before I wrap up, I'd like to remind you once more. If you are watching me on YouTube, please just subscribe and click the bell. Subscribe and click the bell. And if you are watching from other social networks, please do not hesitate to share, to like, and of course, I'm expecting your questions. And if you are coming across this video for the very first time, please follow us. Follow me. Follow me. So, let me just wrap up this way. Meet tax obligation is a fundamental responsibility for small business owners. By understanding the tax laws, maintaining accurate records, filing taxes on time, staying compliant with regulations, and of course seeking professional advice when needed will go a long way to help you, so you can smoothly and easily go through your tax obligations without any difficulty. You can navigate the tax landscape successfully and contribute to the growth and development of your business and of course the economy as a whole. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening with me. I want to tell you that if you have any question, please do ask. Do ask. Until I come your way next week, I say God bless and peace.